you'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flued out.
Things are already getting intense, and the courtroom drama hasn't even started yet. Jana and Monique initially agreed to a 50-50 custody split with no child support involved, just equal parenting. Sounds fair, right? But a few months in, Jana's doing all the heavy lifting while Monique is out enjoying luxury trips, designer fashion, and seemingly not a care or a diaper in sight. Now, Jana's had enough and is taking the matter to court, not just for justice, but to demand accountability. Meanwhile, Monique is standing her ground, claiming their original deal should still hold. But here's the big question. If one parent walks away from their responsibilities, should the other be left to carry the whole load alone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This case is about to expose the real challenges when equal custody turns into a one-sided struggle.
Ms. Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
Insurance. I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. But what did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal with as a flight attendant with all these crazy people on this
Okay,
airplane.
so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out.
Who got you, Hugh? This courtroom just turned into a full-blown reality show reunion, and Judge W's holding the mic. Monique walked in with confidence, tossing out the "I pay for insurance" line like that's supposed to cover diapers, groceries, school supplies, and actual parenting time. But when she claimed Jana just lounges around all day, the vibe in the room shifted fast. That kind of shot doesn't land well with judges, and right on cue, Jana came prepared. She brought the receipts, screenshots, timestamps, and snapshots from rooftop bars and tropical getaways that told a whole different story. Monique's "I'm always working" excuse unraveled quicker than a cheap phone charger. Sure, she's a flight attendant, but let's not pretend bottle service and beach views are part of the job description. Now the court's facing a serious wake-up call. Parenting isn't about who looks busier or glossier on Instagram. It's about who's really there for the child. Stick around. Judge W's about to cut through the noise, and things could get even messier before they settle down.
And things might get even messier before they get resolved.
But most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but...
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, this is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About $79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About $79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the only child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
you know
me.
what it is to carry a baby for 9 months?
Okay, because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
that's why we
again, I need you to pay attention since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the $175. 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am. $1,000.
That's the whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? You got
I heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
The courtroom chaos hit a whole new level when Judge Bond flipped the script on Monique with a verdict no one saw coming. Things started off light, with the judge tossing her a congratulatory note, only to follow it up with a bombshell ruling that left jaws on the floor. Monique, absolutely stunned. Judge Bond ordered her to pay $1,011 a month in child support, and her reaction said it all, like she'd just been hit with a prison sentence instead of a parental obligation. The disbelief on her face was unreal, especially considering she'd been living it up while skipping out on her share of responsibility. Designer bags, beach trips, and now a reality check, courtesy of the court. The drama, the twists, the expressions, it. All played out like a scene straight out of a TV show, only this was 100% real. If you're into these wild, unpredictable courtroom moments, don't forget to like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button so you're always plugged into the next legal roller coaster.